Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Honda Odyssey? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a modern, driver-focused layout with a digital instrument cluster and touchscreen infotainment system. It integrates controls and displays for easy access to vehicle information and entertainment. The cluster display provides key vehicle information, including speed, fuel level, warnings, and navigation prompts. It helps the driver monitor performance and alerts. The LCD shows vehicle information, settings, and alerts in a clear, easy-to-read format. The gear display shows the current transmission mode, helping the driver select and monitor driving settings safely. The climate control system regulates the vehicle's interior temperature and airflow for passenger comfort. The steering wheel allows the driver to control the direction of the vehicle. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system indicator, automatic brake hold. Malfunction indicator, charging system indicator. Shift position indicator, M 7-speed manual shift mode. Transmission system indicator, low fuel indicator. Seat belt reminder, supplemental restraint system. Anti-lock brake system, vehicle stability assist, electric power steering, low tire pressure, vehicle stability assist off, lights on indicator, turn signal and hazard warning, auto high beam indicator, high beam indicator, econ mode indicator, system message indicator, snow mode indicator, normal mode indicator, low temperature indicator, cruise mode indicator, auto idle stop off, auto idle stop indicator, security system alarm indicator, immobilizer system indicator, safety support indicator, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist system. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.